In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a Confluence page. This can be particularly useful if you need to transfer the ownership of a page to a different team member or when reorganizing your workspace's structure. Let's dive right into it with clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is the starting point for changing any page settings. From the homepage, you'll need to select the workspace where the page you want to modify is located. It's important to make sure you're in the correct workspace to avoid any confusion down the line. Once you're in the right workspace, look for the specific page whose ownership needs to be changed. Navigate through the Pages list and click on the desired page to open it. This gives you access to the page's specific settings. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a set of 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis menu. Clicking on this will reveal additional options for page management. From this menu, select the option that reads View Ownership. This will show you the current owner of the page. Next, you'll see an option labeled Change Owner. Click on this to initiate the ownership transfer process. A prompt will appear asking for the username of the person you wish to transfer ownership to. Here, it is crucial to type the correct username. A small error here could result in transferring ownership to the wrong person, which can be inconvenient. After entering the new owner's username, double-check to ensure all the information is correct. Once you're certain, click Change Owner. This will finalize the process. You should see a notification confirming that the ownership has been successfully updated, reflecting the new owner's details. Remember, it's always a good practice to inform the new owner about the change, especially if it's a critical page or part of a significant project, to avoid any miscommunication or operational disruptions. This ensures that the new owner is aware and ready to take on the responsibilities that come with this change. And that's it! You've now successfully changed the owner of a Confluence page. As always, staying organized and verifying details before making changes helps maintain the smooth operation of your team's workflow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.